Hey guys, what is going on? So welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Nika for those of y'all who are new here. So I received two items from Babala bags. It is two pairs of shoes. I'm super excited to check out the quality of these shoes, but before we jump into the video, just a little bit of a disclaimer. I am not here to influence you one way or another. I'm just here to give my unbiased opinion on the items and what I think of the items and the quality of the items and my experience with the company. If you are interested in checking out Babala bags and seeing everything that they have to offer, I will have all of the information listed in the description box down below so that you guys can check them out. Let's go ahead and let me jump into these items. Like I stated, I did get two pairs of shoes from Babala bags, and you guys can see what brand of shoes I got from them. I think we're gonna start with the LV shoes, and yeah, so this is just how the box came, and then it has the label on the side with the shoe and the size on there as well. The box is pretty nice, you know, a standard box. It's not like too beat up or anything like that. If you care about the box, this box, it slides open like this, and this is what the inside of the box looks like. Y'all, it smells like a fresh pair of shoes. Like if you've ever been to like the shoe store, like Nike or anything like that, this is what these shoes smell like. It just smells like fresh, brand new shoes. So then when you move the paper to the side, you do have a dust bag, and it only comes with one dust bag, but this is a really nice dust bag. Here's a dust bag for these shoes, and this is what the shoes look like inside of the box. So we're gonna go ahead and take these out, and then here are a look at these sandals that I got. These are the Louis Vuitton sandals right here. These, y'all, these are so cute. Like, these sandals are so cute. They are so nice. And this is what the bottom of the shoe looks like. And then let me show you guys a little closer look at the shoe. It does, like right here on the buckle part right here, it does say Louis Vuitton on there. And then it has the little strap right here, which is a Velcro. So it's a Velcro strap right here on the shoe. And then here is the interior label of the shoe as well. Y'all, this shoe is so cute, and it's actually, this shoe is actually really good quality. You know, it's just, you know, it's just a standard sandal, but it is very good quality. So nice. So, like I said, the shoes look really good. The canvas looks pretty good as well on the shoe, and I would say that these shoes fit exact. Okay, they fit like exact. The shoes are in European / Italian sizes, so definitely get your the Italian equivalent to your shoe size. So if you're a size 9, you get a 40. If you're a size 10, get a 41. If you have a bit of a wider foot, these shoes do come in women and men's sizes. So I would say if you have a bit of a wider foot, get the male equivalent to your size. But if you have a standard foot, narrow foot, you can go ahead and get your the women's size, your normal women's size. And again, it does have some adjustments right here. And then, of course, the Velcro and stuff like that is adjustable. But I still would say, just to be on the safe side, if you have a wider foot and you're not sure, go ahead and get the male equivalent. You can always also reach out to Babala bags to help, and they will help you figure out what size shoe would be best to fit you. Let's go ahead and do the Fendi shoes. And so this is the box that it comes in. This one doesn't have like the label on the outside of the box, but you know, that's okay. And this one is just like where you pop the top open of this box. Here's the inside. You get some tissue paper, and then you also get a cute dust bag in here. You get one dust bag, but that's okay. You get the dust bag, and then you guys have a sneak peek of the shoes. And then also in the Fendi shoe box, I see that you get like a little bit of paperwork as well. So here is a closer look at the Fendi shoes. Y'all, these sandals are so stinking cute as well. And then you can see the Fendi label in the inside of the shoe. Here is the bottom of the shoe. It has Fendi right there, and then I don't know if you guys can see, but it says made in Italy at the bottom. That's what the bottom of the shoe looks like. This part right here of the shoe is leather. Also, it is leather around the edges of the shoe as well. But I believe this in the interior right here, this part right here, I believe is rubber. But yeah, really, really nice shoe. I went ahead and pulled the plastic off of one of the Fendi lettering on the shoe so that you guys can take a look at what that looks like. It's like this really gorgeous like coppery color on the shoe. So cute. These shoes also fit very, very true to size. The only thing is, I think that these only come in women's sizes, if I'm not mistaken. The Louis Vuittons came in men and women's sizes, but I think these only come in women's sizes, and I think they only go up to a 41, which is a US size 10. So do keep that in mind if you do want to check this shoe out. But y'all, again, another shoe that's so stinking cute. Like I really love these, y'all. I really, really love these shoes. Like, they're so cute. So far as shoes and as far as handbags, Babala bags have definitely shown consistency with the quality of their items, and everything has been really, really good quality, and I have been really impressed. Like, I don't have anything to critique or anything to say. Like, everything has been like really, really good quality. I believe they offer accessories like belts and stuff, and they have SOGs, of course, and then I think they have jewelry and clothing. So I would definitely be interested in trying some of the clothing if they offer clothing that's like in my sizing, or maybe even some jewelry pieces, just to see like what the quality of those items are as well, and just to see. But again, so far they have shown that they are pretty consistent in the quality of their items, and shown that they have really, really good quality items. So highly impressed with them. So if you guys want to check out Babala bags, you're interested in seeing what they have to offer, I will have everything listed in the description box down below so you can check them out. And there's also a discount code that is good for everything on the website, should you choose to check them out. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like, comment down below, let me know what you think of the items that I got from Babala bags. And if you are enjoying this type of content and would like to see more from me, definitely go ahead and subscribe. Well guys, until the next one, bye.